regarding my video yesterday that I put out, I thought, and maybe this is my fault, I thought by me talking about how I've monetized a channel, a YouTube video channel, I thought just, people would get it, that the monetization of the channel that I'm speaking about, it's not the channel that's named Uniquely Claudia. Clearly, it is evident that I only have 300 and 20 now subscribers. There's no way you can monetize a channel with less than a 1,000 subscriber plus the 4,000 watch hour that's needed. And 4,000 watch hours is not really hard to get. Having done it with my first channel, I've seen that since. So that said, I received a comment. It was sarcastic, but I think they also would not have allowed common sense to prevail to say, no, clearly she could not be speaking about this channel because she only have, 300 and what they noted at the time, 18 subscribers. Yeah, clearly I could not be talking about the channel. So let me kind of inform some of you guys, because many of you know the game and don't need to be told exactly or how to explain everything from detail. So most content creators have more than one YouTube video channel. Half the time their first channel are most times faceless. Then they come on their face channel, person to person, face to face, and speak about it while this channel is also growing. So yes, my monetization, if you guys go back, who is new to the channel, you can always go back and look at the proof of monetization that I showed, so you know that I'm not selling you a lie. It's heart-wrenching to know that people actually do this. People will come out here and sell you a lie. That is something that I will never do. I'm going to sound corny here, but bear with me. I don't like telling lies. I don't. You get caught. Plus, do you know what the Bible says about liars? Don't take that lightly. That's a serious thing for me. I am not going to sell you a lie. Absolutely not. I'm not selling you a lie. Yeah. Lying is a sin. And the wages of sin is death. Oh, let me just get back to why I'm creating this video and not to preach to you. But yes, most content creators have more than one channel, which is smart to do. The minute you monetize one, start another one. Just make sure you can keep up. I would not go over, as a beginner, I would not go over 2. And then as soon as you've gotten some experience and been into the game and you're making enough money where you can get help to create videos for you, then you can move on to the 2, the 3s, and the 4s. Yes, so my point is that when you hear me speak about monetization, how much I've earned so forward, it's not in reference to the Uniquely Claudia channel. It absolutely is not. I showed you proof. of my monetization from Google AdSense. I've shown you a screenshot of my phone with how much I've earned so far on the other channel. So yes, this channel here that I'm talking on, that I'm speaking on, it's the second channel. It's not the first. So 300 subscribers cannot and will not allow this channel to be monetized until it gets to 1,000. I tell you, if I had to predict when this channel is going to be monetized, let me tell you, Uniquely Claudia will be monetized anywhere about May, June. May, June of this year, I'm expecting it to. That's the time frame. Then I can speak about both monetization, and I will always come back with proof. With that it's not a certificate. It's like an envelope from Google telling you you've monetized, and you get your PIN number and you activate it, and so forth. For mostly you're in the games. Yeah, but yeah, don't be sarcastic. 300 subscribers cannot monetize a channel. Please allow your common sense to prevail. Allow your common sense to prevail that if she's speaking about monetization, clearly it's for another channel and not Uniquely Claudia. I'm not there yet with that. I am not there yet with that. Always give the content creator the benefit of the doubt. I do agree that some people come out and sell you a whole bag of lies, but come on, there's some lies that are, they're not as blatant. So for me to say, oh, I'm talking about monetization and how much I've earned when I only have 300, like, who is the joke on here? It's not on me, because there's no way that's possible. And there is no way you could have think that I'm that stupid to come and sell you a lie that this channel here is monetized with only 300 subscribers or 300 plus subscribers. Are you kidding me? No. There's always proof in my video when I speak about monetization. Always proof. There's proof there. So you can go back to the videos, and if you want confirmation, look at the videos that specifically talks about monetization. That specifically talk about how much I've earned. And you'll see the proof is there, right in the pudding. The proof is always in the pudding for me. So please, guys, if I bring anything to you, whatever information I bring to you, it will be truly the God's truth. I will not sell you a lie at all. Anything I speak on, it's facts. It's facts, and it's based on my opinion. You know, someone else's opinion could differ from mine, and that's okay, because it's our opinions are subjective. You know. So yeah, I when I read that comment, I was like, okay, I know this person is new. I know there's a sense of sarcasm there, but I can't blame the person from asking such question in the comment. But the one thing I had a drawback on was, why would you think that I would have not known this? What? It's honestly, let me tell you this. If I wanted to talk crap, tell you how much money I've earned, it is easy to buy subscribers. If I, listen to me guys, come to the front of the line, watch me. If I want 10,000 subscribers now on my page, $150. oh, I'm going to do this organically. No, ma'am. No, 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 no. It's going to be done organically for me. I don't want to buy subscribers. I need genuine people. Why do you think I have not given out my first channel's name? I haven't. I have not. It's a personal finance channel that I speak about the stock markets and all kind of side hustle. Listen, I am allowing YouTube algorithm to choose my viewers organically. I am not sending you over there to go join, to go subscribe. Absolutely not. You found this uniquely, Claudia, to all 300 and what, 20 now subscribers. You were found organically, and I cherish that. I cherish that. So that's one thing. If I come to you with something, believe you me, it's the truth about, creating your YouTube channel and anything else about my channel. It's going to be the truth. If I need, like I said, 10, 20,000 subscribers, I can. I could stock that up, pay for it, pay for views, and come back and tell you, guys, I made $10,000 this month. Yeah, I probably won't show you the screen, but I can tell you that. And guess what? You would believe it because the views would be showing and the subscribers in numbers would be showing. There's no way you would doubt that. Don't be fooled. This is a response to the comment that I received on yesterday's videos. I think it was it yesterday's videos? Yeah, well, they were curious about how is it speaking about monetization and I only have 318 subscribers. Oh, what that tells me is that someone like you could be easily tricked, because I could have just bought 20,000 subscribers half the time. When these content creators, I've gone into their to their videos and looked to see how many views they have, and how many subscribers they have, and the dates. And then I would say to myself, if I find something look weird about the dates and the amount of views in comparison to the no, something does not smell right. I will not buy subscribers. So if I talk about the monetization for my first channel, I've had it for 1 year and 6 months. It's really only 1,400 subscribers, 1,423 subscribers. And I'm not telling you guys to go over and join and subscribe. No. YouTube have to organically find my viewers. You don't beg. One of the worst thing you can do to your channel when you start it is have friends and family subscribing to you. No, that's not organic. That's people who, yeah, you can get it for it to look good, to attract more subscribers, but you're better off just doing it the way I did. I have, since I've started this channel, I only have 2 people who I know. One's my sister and one's my girlfriend that joins. I refuse to tell friends and family about this so everybody can know. I need you organically. I need my video to show up in your feed, show up in your search, and you click and watch. That's me. The organic way is the best. The best. Yeah, so when I tell you something about my channel, please know this. I'm telling you the truth, the God's truth. And while I want to think myself, I think I am tech savvy a little bit. But at the same time, I still don't know a lot. So I would rely on, I find one of the teens and the 21s and the 22s. Come over here. Show me what to do. How do you do this? And yeah, I promise I'm going to get better at this. Listen, don't speak to me about age because I know what you're thinking. Claudia, you're a woman in your 50s. What are you talking? Leave me alone. My friends they're very young. My friends are young people. I refuse to be challenged technically. I refuse to be challenged technically. So I think my channel would have been expedited much quicker in terms of subscribers and views. Excuse me, subscribers and views. Um, but I think the fact that I I don't know how to do a lot of technical things without spending a lot of time and reviewing it and ask Chat GPT how you do. I know my way around. I know my way around. But I have so much to do that it prevents me sometimes from getting everything perfect the way I want it, which would have helped my video. But it's fine. I'm taking my time. I'm growing. I'm gonna get there. I really am. I really am. I'm gonna get there. But yeah, this video was actually in response to 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 the viewer or who makes a comment on my video, questioning my subscribers. Please know this: every subscribers, with the exception of 2, that is on this uniquely Claudia's channel is organic. I didn't purchase them. I refuse to do so. And as I said again, if I want 10 to 20,000 subscribers, I can pay for it. I refuse to do that. I refuse to do that. I can pay for it. If I want 100,000 views, I can also pay for that. I refuse to do that. Guess who know when it's fake? The algorithm. It will not reward you. It will slow your progress down. It will slow your progress down. Believe me. You can't trick YouTube. YouTube algorithm, you can't trick it. It'll outsmart you. So the best thing is to be honest. Be honest. It rewards you for being honest. It rewards you for being for showing up. It rewards you for being consistent. It will reward you. So again, I'm very happy. I'm at a good place with my 320 subscribers. I love it. And I thank you all for watching. I am grateful. Please watch this video, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.